Hey everyone! Mother's Day is in a couple days, so I thought I would show you guys how to make a birthstone tree pendant. You could put this pendant on a chain and make it a necklace, or you can make two of them and make little earrings, or you could put it on like a bigger like lobster clasp thing and make a keychain out of it. You could do pretty much whatever you think your mom would like. So let's get started. You'll need a 1.5 inch metal ring, thin wire, about 24 gauge or smaller, glass beads in the color of your birthstone, and any siblings' birthstones if you wanted to add those, and jewelry pliers. Cut 12 pieces of wire, about 12 inches each. Fold them in half. One by one, take one piece of wire, thread through the ring, and wrap around about 3 times to secure it. Repeat this with all of the wire. Now take 3 pieces of the wire that are next to each other and twist them together a couple times. Repeat this all the way across. This forms the roots of the tree. Flip the wires up so that they're positioned inside of the ring like so, and then twist all of them around a couple times to form the trunk of the tree. You can leave it straight if you want, or you can bend the trunk a bit to make, in my opinion, more of an interesting looking trunk. Then start splitting up the wires to make branches. You can untwist some of them a bit to make branches that sit lower on the trunk, like I did for these. It doesn't really matter how many pieces of wire that you take for each branch. I kind of just grabbed whatever felt right. When the branch is where you want it, twist the wires around a bit to shape the branch. Repeat this until you've reached your desired number of branches. I suggest about 5. And now for the beads. The ones I'm using are all mixed together, so I needed to separate them first. I did ones for me and my 2 sisters. Bonus points for anyone who knows what months these are. Take one of the branches, split the wires, and thread some beads on. If I have a branch that's more than 1 wire thick, I would thread on a bead or 2, and then split that branch again, and then thread on another bead or 2, etc., until I reach the ring. Once you reach the ring, twist the end of the branch a couple times to secure it. Repeat this for all of the branches. I started with my older sister's birthstone at the top, and then mine in the middle, and then my younger sister's on the bottom. Once you're done threading on all of the beads, starting at the bottom, wrap the excess wire around the ring. With the bottom wires, when you reach the roots, wrap the wire around one of the roots to secure it, and then cut the excess off. When you work your way up, you'll reach the other branches, and then you can just thread it through the bead that's there and wrap it around the branch a couple times, and then cut that excess off. Repeat this until you have 1 or 2 wires at the top. My wires were pretty thin, so I went with 2. But if your wire is on the thicker side, you might find that 1 is enough. Twist the wire together, make a loop, twist the loop, and then wrap the end of the wire around the ring again a couple more times to secure it, and then cut off the excess. And that's pretty much it. You can add it to a chain to make it a necklace or a bracelet, or you can make another one of these and then add them to some earring findings, or you could add it to a keyring and make a keychain. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment down below. If you want to follow me on any of my social media, those will also be linked down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much to my patrons for helping me produce this video. If you like my videos and have learned something from them, please consider supporting me on Patreon to help me continue to make them. It's totally optional. I'll still be making videos either way. It just helps me be able to put out better stuff. A link will be down below, or you can just click up here in the corner.